Today's video is a tune called Lagoudam patoulam. It's a very popular tune. I'll leave a link in the description of a video played by Fanis Gourouklidis, who I think this is an old tune, but he's reinvigorated it somehow and it's become very popular. I've noticed it's been played a lot. So I'll leave a link in the description to his video, which I've based my video on. So I've had to learn this from scratch. It's taken me a few weeks. To the person that asked for it, I hope you enjoy it. And by the way, I'm going to make my videos as short as possible. I've noticed that people are not watching my lesson videos, and that's fine. I find that they're probably going too long, and if people are not interested in that tune, they're probably not going to watch it, which people are not. It's probably just only finding one or two people that are interested in them. Which is why I've recently actually started doing a private lesson with one person where I'm just sending 5-minute videos on a specific part of a tune, and I'm actually enjoying that. So I'm considering, I won't announce it just yet, but if people want more detailed videos of certain tunes, I'm considering making it available. I do not want to do private lessons. I have held off from doing private lessons. I've done them in the past and they can be it's very hard to teach. But I find that doing 5-minute videos is actually very good. So the person that I'm currently teaching is finding them very helpful and she's progressing. So anyway, I'll announce that when I get to it, but I hope you enjoy the video. I'll play the tune first. Then it goes round and round. I won't do the whole tune because there's so many parts to it and it'll take too long. So I'll just do the very basics, which I've just shown there. The instrument's tuned to A, E, B. That's A, E, B. So we're going to keep the first finger on the high-pitched string, second finger on the high-pitched string, and we're going to play it forward. Okay, finishing back. I think it's 4 times. Okay, on the 5th time, we're going to lift the second. That's forward bow movement. And then on the way back, we're going to drop the 4th finger on the high-pitched string. And then lift the 4th, drop the 2nd. So I'll start from the start, starting forward. That's back. Forward, no fingers. Then we're going to swivel over to the low pitched side, second finger touching 2 strings, the middle and the low pitched. Lift the second, drop the first, same 2 strings. High pitched side, swivel. Finishing forward. And I think we do that twice. Now the next bit is 4th finger on the middle string. Actually, I'll show the bow movements. You can start back if you want. Start back with forward, I think, with that one, there's no problem. The next bit, fourth finger middle string. First, we're going to play no fingers. Now we're playing, you can either play just the middle string, okay, or you can touch, because it's very hard to play just the middle, you can lean towards the lower pitch side. In fact, you can play, actually it's probably best you do play the middle, the low pitch string as well, because you're dropping, because the second finger and the first finger are being dropped on, that'll come down as a double chord, that'll be as well. So forward, that's fourth finger, middle string, lift it, drop the second, touching the two strings this time, the middle and the low pitched, and then drop the first. Okay, so try and get that note there. Finishing forward. And now we're going to swivel over to the low pitch side, only touching, second finger only touching the low pitch string. So we're only playing the low pitch string with the bow. So forward, back, and then no fingers touching the two strings, low pitched and middle. So you can start back here. So swivel straight over. The next bit is swiveling back over to the high pitch side, no fingers. First finger touching the high pitched. So again, same fingers, same two strings on this side. No fingers, high pitch, so. And then it sort of goes, and then it starts from the start, so. And then it goes round and round. So I'll keep that as basic as possible. I won't do trembles, I won't do anything else. I hope it helps the person that asked for it and anyone else who wants to learn it. It's a very popular song. Thanks for watching.